DatAdvantage provides 5 key pieces of functionality. The first is a bidirectional view into who can access data. So that means for any folder or SharePoint site, we can see all the users and groups that have access to that SharePoint site, or for any user and group, we can see all the folders and SharePoint sites they have access to. The second core piece of functionality is an audit trail. Every time someone opens, creates, deletes, moves a file, we see who did it, when they did it, if they moved it, where they moved it to, in a sortable and searchable interface, so that we can answer questions easily like, who deleted my data? Who's been accessing my data set? The third core piece of DatAdvantage functionality uses the first 2 pieces. Because Varonis can see who can access data and who does access data, our framework puts those 2 pieces together to make recommendations on where you can tighten up access control without disrupting user behavior. We also allow you to simulate changes to permissions and user and group memberships without business impact. The fourth functionality that DatAdvantage offers is to identify data owners. Because we see who is actually accessing data, we can identify the top users of a data set and lead IT right to the appropriate business owner. The 5th core piece of functionality in DatAdvantage comes from our data classification framework, where we can display information about which files contain sensitive content, like credit card numbers or social security numbers, right alongside our other metadata. DatAdvantage provides these 5 core pieces of functionality for Windows servers, Unix servers, NAS devices, and SharePoint devices.